If you have natural hair and you have a hard time getting a sleek ponytail look from this to this, then you should keep watching. For this style, we're not going to be using any heat at all, so that means no blow drying, no flat ironing to get the hair straight or anything of the sort. We're going to be doing it as is. Having a 4B/4C hair type, sometimes your hair can get really puffy when you try to do a sleek look without heat. So I'm just going to show you what I normally do when I had hair, that is, to get that sleek look. So first things first, I section the hair so I don't get it all entangled or anything while I'm working my way in. And after making my sections, I'm going to go in with subsections. While you're sectioning, ensure that you detangle as you go along. This is my main ingredient in getting that sleek look I've been raving about ever since I started this video, and it's the fashion wax. There are persons who complain about getting a white residue after using this, but with the way I use it, I don't normally have any complaints. In any event that you do, you can always use a clear gel to go over the hair when you're through with it. Back to the matter at hand, this is how I normally go in with a fashion wax when I'm starting out the ponytail. So I part as I go along and apply the fashion wax in between, then smooth it out with a comb and brush it in afterwards. So what I'm doing here is basically repeating the same steps like I did with the back, but I'm parting in the direction of the center part as I go along. Be sure to use the back of the comb to just smooth it out as you go along to have everything uniformed and not have some areas looking out of place. So now that I'm through catching up the hair and all, I'm going to put the ponytail on. And I'm using a pack of, well, not a full pack of Ghana braids, but this wasn't planned, so we're just working with what we have available. After you're through plaiting, you're going to trim what needs trimming and apply mousse. And if you feel like you want to put the Got To Be Free spray on the part that you wrap around the base of the plait, you can do so as well. This is the end result, and thank you for watching, lovelies. If you found this helpful, don't be afraid to hit the like button and share with someone that this may help as well.